Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own soft drinks at home using simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. It's a fun and easy way to enjoy a refreshing beverage without all the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in store-bought sodas. First, let's start with a classic favorite, homemade lemonade. To make this, you'll need fresh lemons, sugar, and water. Start by juicing the lemons until you have about 1 cup of lemon juice. In a pitcher, mix together the lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 cups of water. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can adjust the sweetness by adding more or less sugar to suit your taste. Serve over ice and garnish with a slice of lemon for a refreshing and tangy drink. Next, let's move on to homemade ginger ale. For this recipe, you'll need fresh ginger, sugar, water, and club soda. Start by peeling and grating a 2-inch piece of ginger. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water with the grated ginger. Bring to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Strain the ginger syrup and let it cool. To make the ginger ale, mix together 1/4 cup of the ginger syrup with 1 cup of club soda. Adjust the sweetness by adding more syrup if needed. Serve over ice for a spicy and refreshing drink. If you're a fan of fruity sodas, you can also make your own homemade fruit soda using fresh fruit and sparkling water. Start by pureeing your favorite fruit, such as strawberries, peaches, or raspberries, in a blender until smooth. Strain the puree to remove any seeds or pulp. In a glass, mix together 1/4 cup of the fruit puree with 1 cup of sparkling water. You can adjust the sweetness by adding a little bit of sugar or honey if needed. Serve over ice for a delicious and bubbly fruit soda. For those who prefer a more traditional soda flavor, you can make your own cola at home using spices and citrus flavors. To make homemade cola, you'll need cinnamon sticks, cloves, nutmeg, vanilla extract, orange zest, lemon zest, sugar, and water. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and add in the spices, vanilla extract, and citrus zest. Bring to a simmer and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Strain the syrup and let it cool. To make the cola, mix together 1/4 cup of the syrup with 1 cup of sparkling water. Adjust the sweetness and flavor by adding more syrup or spices to suit your taste. Serve over ice for a unique and flavorful homemade cola. Making your own soft drinks at home is a fun and creative way to enjoy a refreshing beverage without all the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in store-bought sodas. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create delicious and unique flavors that are sure to impress your friends and family. So why not give it a try and start experimenting with different recipes to find your favorite homemade soda flavor? Cheers to homemade soft drinks.